areas, more families are choosing to cook at home, and by now you might be running out of ideas.
Cinnamon toast, macaroni and cheese, cinnamon toast crunch. It goes on and on. Amber J.M. tells us how a local chef at one local restaurant is helping others spice things up in the kitchen. I'd love to hear this story.
Yeah, those are some pretty good dinners, Tricia, right? Well, tonight the head chef at Arnold's Bar and Grill held a free quarantine cooking class to inspire home cooks to get a little creative. Now, on the menu tonight was the restaurant's legendary Greek spaghetti.
Arnold's Bar and Grill in downtown Cincinnati is known to draw in big crowds. But with restaurants being forced to close their dining areas across the state, the head chef of the restaurant tells us employees and customers are being forced to adjust.
We're adapting. We're doing Fish Fridays on Friday, where you pull up to the tub and grab some grub. That's kind of our little slogan that we're working with right now. Last Friday, we sold 200 orders, which is great.
Now you can have a taste of Arnold's without leaving your home.
So this dish has been on the menu since 1957 at Arnold's.
Tonight, the head chef, Kayla Robinson, held the restaurant's first live-streamed quarantine cooking class, showing everyone how to make Greek spaghetti. Robinson says this is more than just a cooking class.
Even though I'm not able to be in my kitchen, I can be safe at home and help others be safe at home as well. And also, this is the most amazing thing about cooking is bringing your family together. It brings people together.
More than 70 gathered around their computers for tonight's cooking lesson, and this video already has more than 1,000 views. Robinson says more online classes are to come.
So a lot of the meals that I'll be doing are also family friendly. I have a daughter who's 10, so she helps me out as well.
Remaining locked down in our homes for the next few weeks is forcing us to all make big changes. But some are reminded of the silver lining.
It's really put in perspective where I'm sitting on the back end worrying about, financial issues and hoping that restaurants and other small businesses will be able to come on top of all of this. My daughter is seeing this as I get to spend more time with mom, and I get to cook at home with her, and we get to play board games and lots of movie nights and actually be outside instead of being on our phones and whatever else may be distracting us. So there's a light in this.
Stir Crazy, a local business owner, is helping you paint at home, and a fitness instructor is hosting live workouts on Facebook. Fox Carolina's Amber Worthy is live with a look at the ways people can stay busy at home. And I'll tell you, Amber, it is hard to stay inside your house with weather like this. It is beautiful out today.
Oh my goodness, it definitely is. And it's kind of sad to come up to parks with police tape around them because they are now closed here in Spartanburg County. But people are getting creative, and more people in the community are helping others do that and have some fun with their family inside their homes.
Whether you want to get creative or get up and moving, many are looking for things they can do while staying at home in hopes of flattening the curve of the coronavirus. Painting with a Twist in Greenville wants to help you have some fun with your family.
They are take-home kits, so we are providing all of the materials for what we do here, which is step-by-step instruction for painting with a twist.
You order a kit online that comes with a video, and you can pick it up curbside.
Let us know you're here and I'll run it right out to you. We are being very safe. We are preparing everything with gloves and sanitizing everything. We even provide you with a disposable apron.
And a fitness instructor took to Facebook to host fitness classes through the site's live feature from the comfort of her living room.
I'm home, I have 3 kids, and that can be crazy sometimes. But my passion is fitness, and I love dancing, and it's an outlet.
An outlet that once helped her when she was down, and she hopes to share that through fitness routines that you can do from your home.
Really, moving benefits everybody, period. Not only physically, but mentally. Just get up and walk around your living room, go walk up the stairs a few times.
Now that painting option, they have a mommy and me option or a date night option. All of these activities can either be done by yourself or with others so that you can definitely maximize on this extended downtime. Reporting live in Spartanburg County, I'm Amber Worthy.
I've seen so many people just lending a helping hand to others and really making changes to adapt to this new way of life. Mario is joining us from his quarantine at home with some positive stories that we all need to hear right now. Good morning, Mario.
Yeah, good morning, Tammy. This social distancing can be tough, especially if it's keeping you from being with family and friends. As you know, many facilities where seniors are living are restricting or limiting visitors, though mail and care packages are welcome, and that's exactly what one couple did for their loved one in Johnston. Take a look. Barbara sent in this video of she and her husband delivering a goodie package to her mom. Peggy is 90 years old, lives at Anchor Bay at Pecasset Independent Living in Johnston. While dropping off packages at the front door is allowed, they decided to be a little creative with their curbside delivery. You can see Peggy hoisting it up to her balcony, gave her a little exercise, and she joked she's going to put on some weight from all the goodies. Hope there's some bacon in there for you, Peggy. And with schools across southern New England in the throes of distance learning now, teachers in one district wanted to make sure their students know they are there for them. Teachers in Westport held this rolling parade in town yesterday. Dozens of cars representing all schools with parents and students along the parade route to show their support from a safe distance, of course.
Of kindness, a woman who lives in Fox Creek in West Knoxville says their Facebook group is really active right now. People are checking in on each other at home. They're coming up with crafts and educational games to keep the kids busy. Teddy bears placed in windows and cards for nursing homes are just a couple of the activities that one woman has noticed. Kim Simpson says she's even made new friends.
It's been really nice to have that base to rely on, especially if you don't have other family here. It's been nice to have other people to rely on and to go to, or to be able to help them if they need help.
People are also sharing places that are open and ideas of things to do inside their homes. So bottom line, folks, I think are more connected now than they.
Owners at a restaurant in Lackawanna County didn't want their excess food to go to the waste, so they started giving it out for free. And that has not gone unnoticed. Newswatch 16's Ali Gallo takes us to the place in Simpson that is giving back.
In the kitchen, it looks like any other normal day here at Frank's Place in Simpson. But the empty dining room sends a whole different message. Frank Sermonaro wasn't expecting any of this to happen, but he wasn't going to let food go to waste.
I had excess pasta. You know, we had 200 pounds of pasta in there. So yeah, we just make some sauce and meatballs and give it away. And next thing you know, we're scrambling because we went through 400 pounds that day.
Frank posted on Facebook over the weekend that anyone in need of a hot meal could come pick it up at his restaurant here in Simpson. No questions asked, other than how many people in the family need to eat. Now, days later, the demand keeps getting higher, so employees here keep packing up dinners and
people, how many phone calls we're getting. The phone has not stopped ringing for hours at a time.
Angela Ingracia has been a server here at Frank's Place for nearly 8 years. And with her job at a daycare closed down, she's back, now giving back.
This place got me through high school, through college, so this is awesome to be able to give back to this place and our community that's helped me get through so much of my life.
Others have been helping too, donating money and to-go boxes, all to make this work.
Frank's Place isn't just a restaurant, it's like a home to us, like family.